So we've set up here inside of these couple of dunes. I've walked from about, I don't know, about 300 meters from the car into the dunes. Quite like the look of this wall of the dunes, and I'm hoping the sun should, well, you can see where the glow in the sky is. The sun's going to come up directly over there, which should give me, at the moment I'm sort of, I don't know if you can pick it up on this camera, there's a nice gentle bowl here leading into these two dunes, and then we'll take it through into the sunset. So sunrise. So I'm hoping sort of this sort of slip face will be like the lead-in line into where the sun's going to come up. So just have to wait now and see. About another 10 minutes. Okay, that's the sunrise shot done. Nothing spectacular like the other week. There's no clouds at all today. A little bit of haze on the horizon as the sun came up. But some really nice dunes in here actually. It's surprising when you just walk in a short distance from the road. There's some really nice lines to these dunes. They're not massive, they're far from big. But when the sun's up and you're getting the shadows on them, the colours come out really nice. So, pleased with that. So we're going to just wait for Michael, who's still in the distance over there somewhere. Can't fault him for that, fair play. I'll have a coffee while we're waiting, and then we're going to drive on to the next rise and have a stop and see what takes our fancy there. Let's go. I'm just going to have a wander a little further into the dunes. It's let me turn around. It's a really nice dune out that direction there. So I can see if I can wander across here and see what sort of lines it gives us now the sun's come up. Should get some nice shadows. That's it, we're done. Done about 40 kilometers in 4 hours cross country. God knows how many images we've rattled off. A lot, to say the least. Back on the tarmac shortly, so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to have a look at Michael's Instagram as well, the link's below. And we'll catch you soon.